Soon after the launch of Pixel 4a, Google has started working on its next smartphone in its Pixel lineup. This time, it's the successor of the not so successful Pixel 4. Google Pixel 5 has been spotted on AI Benchmark with some info about the device. As per the listing, the Pixel 5 will be powered by Snapdragon 765G, which is the same processor as in OnePlus Nord. Seems like the company have decided to use Snapdragon 700 series chipset as compared to the Snapdragon 800 series available on the previous Pixel flagships. And to be honest, it seems like a good move, as more people will be willing to buy it this time. Let's just hope the pricing of Pixel 5 won't be excessively high like the Pixel 4. Snapdragon 765G also ensures that the phone will be 5G supported. Being 5G enabled also make Pixel 5 a good choice if you are thinking for purchasing a smartphone for long-term use. The listing also confirms that Pixel 5 will support up to 8GB of RAM, which is an upgrade as compared to Pixel 4, which came with 6GB of RAM. Also, in the listing it shows that Pixel 5 will run Android 11 out of the box. Even though the Pixel uses Snapdragon 765G, the benchmark score shows that it is not too far in terms of processing in comparison with Snapdragon 800 series processor present in Pixel 4 and 4 XL. Now the only thing confirmed by Google is the launch date of the device, which is sometime by the end of this year. The regions that are confirmed to get Pixel 5 are United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Germany, Japan, Taiwan and Australia. Surprisingly, India is not on the list, which might be because as of now 5G is still unavailable in India. In a blog, Google has said that in the coming months they will share more info about the upcoming devices and their approach to 5G. We will keep you updated as more news or leaks surfaces for the Pixel 5. Until then, this is Ashit from Droided signing off.